guys, what's up? Bonita back again, dropping into some footwork today. I've already covered multiple steps. Today we're gonna cover the 4-step, give you a little bit of a twist. You can have your 6-step, 5-step, I've done 3-step, 2-step, kind of covered quite a bit. So let's jump into the 4-step today, give you another option of some footwork patterns. Very similar to the 3-step. If you haven't learned that move, I would go back and definitely take a look at that tutorial to just get you on the flow. Same 2 Russians you're gonna start with. So you're gonna start with 1. I'm on my toe back here. Show you real quick. So I'm sitting on my heel. Your toes down. 1 Russian. I'm gonna switch to the other side. 2 Russians. Then I'm gonna turn my body over my leg that's straight or out, and I'm gonna hook. 3. I come right into that hook on 3, hands go down, and then I'm gonna kick out, slide my left foot, slide and kick out. So there's your 4. This foot that's up is gonna kick right through. 1, now I'm facing back. I'm gonna switch again. 2, I'm gonna turn over my leg that's out. 3, yep, hands go down, and then I'm gonna kick, boom, and I slide my foot out to that toe. Good. Kick again, switch, boop, hook in, ha, hands go down, and kick, boom. 1 more, switch, hook, 3, kick out, 4. Nice. So that was actually going counterclockwise. I'm gonna give it to you going the opposite way. So you would just literally start with the opposite foot, kick, there's your 1, switch on 2, hook in on 3. Remember, the leg that's out, you turn over that leg, so that leg just hooks right in. I see this sometimes too, going this way, right? But that leg, as soon as that hooks into that hook, turn, hands go down, slide out. My focus goes to the direction that I'm traveling. Kick through, switch, hands in, hook, kick out. Boom, boom, hands in, kick out. Boom, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom, 3, 4. Whoop. Nice. 4-step. So, in order to really understand the concepts, great things to know first, Russians. Okay, those are gonna be definitely necessary to understand. Hooks, which I also have a tutorial on, so you can go through and learn a little bit more, just a little bit of an understanding of hooks. And then just the sweep, that side sweep that you do towards the back, that's kind of a universal just transitional move. Those are all really good to know. And then again, 3-step, like I mentioned before, okay? So that kind of all pulls together your 4-step. Make sure you're on the top of your hands always. I say it all the time. I'm gonna say it again. And let me do a 4-step for you a little faster. And then that's it, cool? So here we go, 4-step. Boom, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Learn it both ways. It's really good, great move to have. Good flow, stay on your toes, stay on the top of your hands. Keep your footwork light. Keep your shoes clean. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what's up. Catch you guys very soon. Take care. Be safe. Peace.